हेलो दोस्तों, पी के स्मार्ट मोटिवेशन की एक नई वीडियो में आप सबको खुश आमदीद। आज से हम डॉन एडिटोरियल का पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Yesterday, Article 62 was, hopefully permanently, devenomized of its most lethal effect, lifetime disqualification of a lawmaker from holding public office, full stop. Though several problematic morality requirements in Articles 62 and 63 had been inserted in the Constitution during the Zia era, the lifetime disqualification aspect under 62(1)(f was a more recent innovation, one that happened 5 years ago, when the Supreme Court interpreted the clause to deem anyone legally determined to have failed the Sadiq and Amin test to have lost forever the right to lead the people of Pakistan as an elected representative, full stop. The verdict had been met with immediate outrage, and it was seen widely as the state hammering the final nails in the coffin meant for Nawaz Sharif's political career, full stop. Yesterday, the Supreme Court finally undid its earlier mistake, full stop. A new set of judges agreed, by a majority of 6-1, that the old bench had overreached by reading into the Constitution while taking a rather expansive view of how the clause ought to be interpreted, full stop. The new bench noted that there is no law that provides for the procedure, process, and the identification of the court of law for making the declaration mentioned in Article 62(1)(f of the Constitution, and the duration of such a declaration, for the purpose of disqualification thereunder, to meet the requirements of the fundamental right to a fair trial and due process guaranteed by Article 10 of the Constitution, full stop. It declared that till the law is updated to address these deficiencies, disqualification under Article 62(1)(f cannot hold for life, full stop. Positive as the news is, it should be pointed out that the clause remains very much intact, full stop. It remains up to an elected government to, either with consensus or 2/3 majority, undo it, full stop. All the court has done is ensure it won't be used as Damocles' sword over a condemned politician's neck, full stop. It has long been argued, and by better legal minds, that the eligibility requirements for holding public office as currently laid out in the Constitution contain several provisions that are patently unrealistic or impossible to attain and must, therefore, be reconsidered. This publication has long agreed with this view, full stop. There is nothing wrong with expecting national leaders to adhere to a high standard of conduct, however, when requirements for qualification start demanding personality traits based on ideas of morality that will be interpreted very differently by different people, they lose their purpose altogether, full stop. It cannot be up to the law to choose, based on such arbitrary conditions, who is and who is not morally deserving of leadership and who, therefore, is to be allowed to participate in the electoral process, full stop. Such decisions should be left to the judgment of the voting citizenry, full stop. The end.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर लाजमी करे और बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दे ताकि हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो अब तक पहुंच सके सबसे पहले।